parent who can no longer manage alone, a family that cannot quite agree, and a decision that has to be made soon, with love on one side and a real budget on the other. This workbook helps you weigh the options calmly and choose with a clear head and an open heart. Here is how it works. You decide what matters most for your loved one: safety, the quality of care, how close it is to family, the warmth of the staff, and yes, the cost. You give each one a weight by how much it truly matters, not by which worry is loudest today. Then you rate every option from 1 to 5, and a single honest score comes out for each. Start with the money, but all of it. The cost calculator gathers the monthly fee, the care add-ons, and the one-time costs into a true effective monthly cost. In our example, Maple Grove lands at $5,167 a month, Birchwood at $4,004, and staying at home with help at $2,900. Then the Decision Scorecard brings it together. You weight what matters once, rate each option row by row, and the score and the ranking fill in on their own. It comes preloaded with 3 examples, so you can watch the method work before you enter your own. Here, Birchwood wins with a score of 4.5. The priciest, glossiest option finishes last. Along the way, the option facts line up every choice side by side: the level of care, the room, the distance from family, the wait list, and what each fee really includes. Seeing them in one calm view surfaces the questions a brochure tends to leave out. Now the part that matters. Results and ranking sorts every option by overall fit and sets the best fit right beside the lowest cost. The best fit, Birchwood, costs about $1,104 a month more than the cheapest. That is the price of fit, and now it is a number you can weigh on purpose, together. And you own it outright. No login, no subscription, no app holding a tender decision behind a paywall. Just a clear workbook you keep and can return to if things change. It works in Excel, in Google Sheets with one click, and in LibreOffice. Find it on Ardent Workshop and on Etsy. And if it helps, try the free web scorer first, because a choice made with care deserves a clear head. Weigh it gently, decide it together, and know you looked at the whole picture.